Montessori teachers are more of a coach than a teacher, right? The coach, we have practice, we go through these drills that prepare you for something bigger and gives you the confidence and the teamwork and working together and figuring it out and then go out and do it, right? And that's kind of what a Montessori classroom is. It's here's a small work that teaches this concept. And once you've mastered that, we move on to the next drill, and here's a larger work that builds on that, but prepares you for the next step. And before you know it, you're doing one of these huge works that's laid out on the floor, and that kid steps back and goes, "Look what I did!"
Right.
You know, and that just hit me in my head. It's like they're coaches.
Right.
You know, maybe it's not Miss Ann, maybe it's Coach Ann, and you know, like right. You know, I mean, like I don't, but you know, like just the concept of that when you change that word from teacher to coach, it takes on a whole different perspective. You know, like when you think of your kid's coach, you're thinking of them building up their self-esteem and their leadership and their teamwork. You don't think of the teacher teaching that stuff. But that's the stuff that's happening throughout the course of a day in a Montessori classroom at any age.
Right.
You
Well,
know?
in Montessori back in the day, they were called directresses.
Okay, and that's kind of the same.
And
It's
that's very
kind of the same
similar
word.
to, yeah. And because it's we are helping our students, pushing them, knowing that we know they can do it even before they know they can do it, and pushing them for it and teaching them that perseverance, and it's okay, and I know you got it. And then when they're done, it's like, look, you did it. How do you feel about that? And then giving them that confidence and bringing it back to them, and then coming back the next day in school and going, I want to do that work that I did yesterday. And that's when you see that like the aha in the kids.